Done.
Sir, fallback plan.
Fallback plan. Yeah, see, this is very individual question. No, if you, that's why, no, a girl, you were studying in the college and you was asking whether I should prepare from the college. Do not neglect your studies during your college. Even if you don't qualify this exam, you need to have very solid education background. You agree on that? No, you need that. Anyway, you need that. If you even if you qualify that, always it's on your side if you have a very strong education background. So, falling back, though a fallback or plan B or plan C, it is very individual choice. But what I'll recommend, if you are giving first or second attempt, give it with full energy. Don't think about second or first plan. Okay, because if you have already that plan in your head, no, so you'll be feeling, no, you might not be putting 100% of your efforts, because you already know, if I don't qualify this, I have this way to go. Give first two attempts at least with full energy. Don't think about anything else. And see, there are other exams also. Forest service exam also is there. So don't worry, you will be in the merit list either in this exam. Forest service exam is all equally good. Indian Forest Services. So don't think about at least in the first two attempts. Maybe after third attempt you may start thinking, if not this, then what I could do. But for that also you need a very strong education background. You should not neglect your studies. Prepare accordingly in your time. Don't give time to other activities. Give this time, extra time to this. But be regular with your college. You are also in college? Which year? Third year, no? So these third year, fourth year will be very crucial for you. If you want to prepare, but do not neglect your college. Give your exams very well. Have a good CGPA or whatever. Okay? Optional done. So go and see past 4-5 years papers, see the syllabus, talk to the people who have already given from that optional, and then decide. And once you have decided the optional, no, don't have this dilemma in your head whether this optional is good or bad. Once decided, it's decided. Go on, okay? Don't have a second thought on that.